Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to fix the non-tradable symbol issues in TradingView. If you have ever tried to place a trade and saw this message pop up, don't worry. I have got a simple fix for you. Let's dive in. First of all, let's make sure that your broker is connected. Go to the bottom of the TradingView chart and find the Trading Panel tab. Click on it and from here, ensure you are connected to your broker account. Sometimes this issue happens if your broker isn't connected properly. If your broker is connected but you still see non-tradable symbol, it's possible that the specific asset you are viewing isn't supported by your broker. For example, some brokers only allow trading in specific stocks, forex, or crypto pairs. Double check if your broker supports this asset by visiting their website or connecting their support team. If that's all good, try refreshing the page or logging out and back into your TradingView account. This can reset the connection and clear up minor issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.